Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing? কেমন আছেন সবাই? How are you all doing? কেমন আছেন সবাই? All means সবাই. Today we are going to learn some basic Bangla verbs. And not only that, we will also learn how to use those verbs with the first person I to make the real and meaningful sentences in Bangla. Isn't it exciting? So, are you ready? Alright, let's get started. So to begin, let's see how to say first person I in Bangla. In Bangla, the first person I is called Ami. It's Ami. So I means Ami. So whenever you want to say I in Bangla, you will use Ami. It's simple, right? So I means Ami. Now we are going to learn 5 most common verbs in Bangla. Let's begin with a very common verb, do. So do means kora. Do means kora. But when we say I do, it changes slightly. So I do, ami kori. I do, ami kori. Notice how kora becomes kori when used with ami. This is how verbs change when we add the first person I. Now let's explore more common verbs. So here we have 5 most common verbs that you will use everyday conversation. So first one is khawa. Khawa means eat. So it means khawa. It means khawa. Second one is write. Write means lekha. Write, lekha. Third one is read. Read means pora. Read means pora. Then we have see. See means dekha. See means dekha. And the last one is learn. Learn means shekha. So learn, shekha. So these are the basic verb forms. Let's make real sentences. So when we add any verb with first person I or ami, verb changes its form. Here is how. The first one is do. I do means ami kori. Do means kora. I do, ami kori. So I means ami, do means kora. When it connects with first person I, it becomes kori. So do means kora. I do, ami kori. Then I eat, ami khai. It means khawa. I eat, ami khai. I write, ami lekhi. Write means lekha. I write, ami lekhi. Then I see, ami dekhi. See means dekha. I see, ami dekhi. And finally, learn means shekha. I learn, ami shikhi. I learn, ami shikhi. Did you notice something interesting? So you notice that many verbs change their ending sound when add with ami. This is a very common pattern in Bangla grammar. Let's break it down clearly. The base verb is kora. It means to do with ami kori. Base verb khawa, to eat with ami khai. Base verb lekha, meaning to write with ami lekhi. I write, ami lekhi. Base verb is pora or read, to read with I read, ami pori. The base verb is dekha, means to see means dekha. I see, ami dekhi. Dekha, ami dekhi. Base verb is shekha, that means to learn. I learn, ami shikhi. I learn, ami shikhi. Now it's practice time. Say out loud with me. Ami lekhi, ami pori, ami dekhi, ami shikhi. I eat, ami khai. I learn, ami shikhi. I read, ami pori. I see, ami dekhi. I write, ami lekhi. Great job. You are already making sentences in Bangla. If you would like to learn more Bangla, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.